Hello to all dog lovers. In this video, we are going to delve into a very important topic to have a happy and healthy life with our pets, canine ethology, and the disorders that can affect our canine friends. Veterinary ethology is a branch of science that focuses on studying animal behavior, in particular, the behavior of dogs. This discipline allows us to understand why dogs act in certain ways and how we can better communicate with them to prevent and treat behavioral disorders. In this video, we're going to talk about some of the most common disorders in dogs, including canine reactivity and canine aggression, and how we can recognize calming signals and canine communication to prevent and treat these disorders. Canine reactivity. It is an exaggerated or disproportionate response to certain stimuli, such as other dogs, people, bicycles, or cars. Reactive dogs may bark, growl, jump, or pull on the leash in an attempt to protect themselves or their owner. Canine reactivity can be caused by a variety of factors, including a lack of early socialization, traumatic experiences, poor communication, or a combination of these factors. To prevent and treat canine reactivity, it's important to recognize calming signals that indicate the dog is uncomfortable or stressed. These cues include lip licking, yawning, avoiding eye contact, and head turning. If we see these signs, it is important to remove the dog from the stressful situation and allow it to rest before attempting controlled exposure to the triggering stimuli again. Canine aggression. It is a behavior that can be dangerous for both the dog and the people or animals around it. Dogs can show aggression for a variety of reasons, including fear, insecurity, territoriality, or possessiveness. It is important to note that canine aggression is not something that can be ignored or mastered through physical punishment. To prevent and treat canine aggression, it's important to understand canine psychology and how to communicate effectively with our canine friends. Good communication includes using calming signals and reading the dog's body signals to understand her emotional state. It is important to address canine aggression through a combination of behavior modification techniques and therapy, rather than simply trying to forcefully control the dog. Dog education. It is essential to prevent and treat behavioral disorders in dogs. Dog education focuses not only on teaching basic commands like sit and paw, but also on teaching dogs to behave appropriately in different situations and to safely socialize with other dogs and people. Canine education should begin at an early age, with early socialization and exposure to different stimuli. Dogs must learn to trust their owners and feel safe in different situations, which can help prevent canine reactivity and aggression. Canine communication. It is the key to understanding our canine friends and preventing behavioral disorders. Dogs communicate through body signals, vocalizations, and scents, and it is important that owners learn to read these signals to understand their dog's emotional state. Calming signals, mentioned above, are an example of canine communication. In addition, dogs can show their emotional state through their body posture, the position of their ears and tail, and their breathing. Canine ethology and clinical ethology. They are related but different terms. Canine ethology is the study of the behavior of dogs in their natural environment, while clinical ethology focuses on the study and treatment of behavioral disorders in dogs. Clinical ethology is an important tool for veterinarians, who can work with owners to identify behavioral disorders in dogs and develop appropriate treatment plans. Treatments may include behavior modification, therapy, and in some cases, medication. Canine ethology is essential to have a happy and healthy life with our pets. Through an understanding of canine psychology, canine education, and canine communication, we can prevent and treat behavioral disorders in dogs, such as canine reactivity and aggression. Furthermore, clinical ethology is an important tool for veterinarians in the diagnosis and treatment of these disorders.